guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing because I ordered some stuff since, you know, we're in quarantine thanks to COVID. There's nothing else for us to do, but I'm trying not to order a lot of things online. I just happened to run into these sales and I'm like, I have to jump on it. So I'm gonna be it's not so much of a review, but more just like an unboxing of things that I ordered. Elsie had a sale on their website. Ulta had a sale. I just happened to run into it. I have some stuff that I have bought from Bath and Body Works right before COVID, but I haven't had a chance to open them or use them, so I thought I'd just include them as part of the unboxing. And yeah, so let's get started because then I'll have like the longest intro ever. So this, I ordered these items from Elsie. Let me just show you these right here. So the first one is the Micro Silk Foundation, and this one I wanted to try. I've been wanting to try it for a long time because I hear like great things about it. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna check this out and try it. My shade is Warm Ivory. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it out since you know it's getting hot here in California, especially in LA. It's really hot. Yeah, so then I also got this Complete Remedy Silk Concealer in medium, and I've heard great things about her concealer too, so I can't wait to try it and see how it wears throughout the day. And then I also order the Pearl Radiance Primer. And excuse my hair today, but it is so hot. I had it down and I was like, it's unbearably hot, I can't do this. Yeah, so anyways, going back to this one, this is the primer that has like a little bit of a sheen. Like I said, this is not really a review, so this is just kind of like me unboxing and letting you guys know what I ordered. And she had a sale, I think it was a 25% off sale. It's not going on anymore, but keep an eye out. Like if you follow her on Instagram, like once in a while she'll like promote if she has a sale. And she had 25% off and free shipping the time that I ordered, so that was a good deal. And then I also got the Lashful mascara because every time I see her on Instagram using it, I'm like, oh my gosh, her eyelashes look so bomb. And it doesn't seem like she has like super long lashes, or like it's just like the right size. So I'm like, I need to try it out because mine are long, but they're not. I'm wearing falsies today, but mine are long and I don't have a lot of hair or fullness, so I like to find mascaras that can give both a little bit of length and thickness. So that's that. So that was it. That's all I ordered from Elsie. So if you guys get a chance to check out her products, you should when she has a sale. And then I ordered some stuff from Ulta, and I ordered quite a few things, and mostly it was brushes and like sponges from Real Techniques, which I already have. So I already have this one, the Expert Face for Foundation. I love this brush. It's so soft. Their stuff is so soft. And then if you get it when it's like buy one get one, or buy one get one 50% off, that's a good deal. So I happened to run into those, and then I was just like, yay. Or sometimes they have like 40% off or something like that. And then I also have this powder for powder. It's called powder for powder and bronzer. So this is a face brush, and I have this one too, and I was just like, I need another one because these are awesome. These are really soft and great quality. And then you can never have too many face sponges, so these were actually really cheap. They were 10 bucks for all four, and usually I think it's like $5.99 for one, if I recall correctly. And then price does vary depending on where you live, so just check it out. Ulta had a sale on these, so I got some. And then I've heard great things about the e.l.f. sponges, and I've never actually tried anything e.l.f. And then these were on sale too, but these were a little bit pricey. I think these were 10 bucks just for these two, as opposed to these. But so we'll see how these work. And then also this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Brush Crush Life Force. I think this is a limited edition. I've been wanting a blush brush because I have one from MAC from years ago. I'm talking about like high school days, and yeah, I'm totally giving myself away right now. But anyways, this one's super cute. It has really nice like chromatic unicorn like colors, so that's really pretty. I'm excited to use this one. So that was for my Ulta and Elsie. And then now for Bath and Body Works, which I got like I said, right before COVID, but I never did a video on it. So this one, I got the aromatherapy energy when they had their sale going on. Well, they always have like sales and stuff, and then if you like scan your rewards, you always get like free stuff. This one, I got energy, which is orange and ginger. I don't like any of the other aromatherapy. The only reason I got this one because it reminds me of happiness, and they discontinued that one. I was so bummed. That was like my favorite scent from aromatherapy. Now I'm just stuck with energy, which has that orange scent. I like more of a citrus scent than herbally. And then I also got this apple blossom shower gel, and I was not a big fan of shower gels back in the day, but these have been really long lasting because I used to use these. Smell amazing. So this one, especially the apple blossom, the lotion, I love it. I got this one, and then cucumber melon. It's like old school for me because this was the scent back in like high school, and that was a long time ago. I love this scent. It brings me back to like high school days. And this one just smells amazing. And then also I got this hyaluronic acid hydrating body cream. I used to have the rose scented one, and that one smelled really great. When they had the sale going on, they only had this one, but I really like it because it's like, I don't feel like it's hydrated, like super hydrating, but it goes on really soft and smooth, and like your skin still feels like it's moisturized, but I don't think it's like this one. On the other hand, this is cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil. I was like, wait, did I get the oil? Because I had the oil before, but no, this is Shea Moisture. This one is really great. I've gone through like 2 tubs of these. I really love it. I love the smell of coconut, anything. So this one's amazing. For the price, I think, what is it, 16? I think I got this one free when, you know, when you have like the coupon that you get free items when you purchase a certain amount. Obviously, I need to stay away from Bath and Body. And then I just got these little ones just to carry in my purse. Sometimes I like to switch to different purses. Sometimes I have like a little really small crossbody bag, and I like to throw this in there. This is shea butter hand cream, and I think if this is like my, so I have the full size, and this one has, oh yeah, it is. This one has a blend of almond blossom, vanilla, and creamy sandalwood. I like sandalwood because it gives it a little bit of muskiness, and it's a little more masculine, and also so much like not as feminine. I kind of like that muskiness sometimes, so I like that. And then this is just the mini version of the hyaluronic acid hydrating hand cream, and that's basically it. I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing because I was like, oh, I have some like cool items. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.